Alright. We're back with episode number 8. I'm just moving the combine to the next field here. Just corn. Again, some corn harvest is still not done. Go. And I am going to dump this load of corn into the bins. You know what? Fudge it, will fill it completely up. So I'll need a tractor out here. Yeah, I don't know. The tractor probably won't be needed out here, but I'm gonna fetch those two wagons that I bought. Because those two wagons will be for hauling out of the big building. We're booking it down the road in the old MX270. I just cannot find a old and big enough tractor to pull two big wagons like that, so 270 just might do it. It just might. Maybe a heavy load, but I think she just might do it. And darn it. There, I'm gonna pull that wagon ahead. Here. Now I gotta hurry and no need to rush. Oh, come on. There we go. Ooh. I can feel the strain of these. Probably will be feeling the strain of these when I go up the hills. The old MX can do it. Come on, old girl. So we're hauling butt home. So that way I can unhook these wagons and get this tractor back in the other wagon. So now we got our hauling wagons, our harvest wagon, and our moving grain around wagon. Besides, we got weights on the front that this thing should help me out a lot. So, yeah. By the way, this is episode number 8. You guys are wondering. Whoa. Easy. Easy. There we go. So what I gotta do now is I gotta bring these wagons around to the back. So, yeah. No. No, 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 no. There we go. There we go. Now we're off from there. Now I just gotta go back up. Whoa. Otherwise, let's get this in there. Huge, big boy home. Other than that, take it easy going home. You won't be going this fast coming out of the delivery yard. There we go. We're off, and we are gonna be on our way home with the with this humongous big boy. It's not heavy for the truck. It's not heavy at all. I don't know, we'll probably put this thing probably in the other shed due to the fact that we do not have any more room in the other shed because we store everything else in there, like the combine, corn head, bean head, the 4 tractors, and the 5 tractors, and everything else. So, yeah, this home is quite yeah, it's kind of a heavy load, but I think overall it does fine. So well, it would be nice to put that in the other shed, but this son of a beehiving thing in here. Come on. Could put the other trailer in here. Not that trailer. That trailer. A nice pearly white truck. I gotta make sure that I can get him in here. There we go. Okay. There we go. Otherwise, we got everything. Now I can park truck, and I will see you guys in the next episode.